Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of OPPO A17k smartphone. This is the latest smartphone by OPPO. So now quickly open it up and start the unboxing. So in top we get this small box. If we see inside it, so here we get here is this the SIM ejector pin, and this is some reading manuals, and this is the transparent back case we get in the box. Okay, and guys, here's the phone itself. Here you can see here's the font itself. It is in a gold color. The navy blue color is also available. Okay, keep this aside. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we get the micro USB to USB cable. Here we get the micro USB to USB cable. And this is the 5 volt 2 ampere normal charger you get in the box. Okay, so that's all we get. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So here's the font itself. You can see 5000 mAh long lasting battery, up to 4 GB extended RAM technology, side mounted fingerprint, and IPX4 water resistance body. So now remove its plastic cover. So you can see here's the font itself. If we talk about the design, you can see the design looks good. Shining design, you can see it has shine. And the thickness of this phone is 8.29 mm, and the weight of this phone is 189 gram. Okay, and if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get nothing, and in bottom we get the 3.5 mm headphone jack, dual main microphone, micro USB port, and main speakers. And on this side we get the side mounted fingerprint with power on off key, volume up and down key, and on this side we get the SIM tray. So quickly eject it. So this is a really good thing. It has triple card slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card for up to 1 TB, which is a really good thing. And here we get the 8 megapixel main camera over there with LED flash. You can see AI camera, and here is the branding of OPPO. And on front it has 5 megapixel front camera, and it has 6.56 inches HD plus display. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. So here I have set up the device, and this is the main screen of OPPO A17k smartphone. If we slide from bottom we get the app drawer, and if we slide from top we get the notification center. You can see helpful quick settings are available over there. Yep guys, the UI of the smartphone is running really smooth, and if we go in settings, let's quickly go in about device. So you can see 21.6 GB used out of 64 GB, and the processor is a Helio G35 octa-core processor, and the ColorOS version is 12.1. And this is a really good thing. You can extend the RAM up to 4 GB, 3 GB plus 4 GB, which is a really good thing for better multitasking. And the Android version is the latest Android 12. This is a really good thing. The Android version is the latest Android 12. And the Android security update is of 5 August 2022. As you can see guys, the UI of the smartphone is running really smooth. Okay, after it, if we talk about its camera, here are some shots I took with OPPO A17k smartphone. If we talk about its side mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance, just quickly check this out. Up with finger and you can see it unlock the phone. Up with and it unlock the phone. So you can see, yep guys, the fingerprint is fast. You can see it is fast. Output and it quickly unlock the device. You can see, yep, the fingerprint is fast and responsive. You can see output and it quickly unlock the device. And if we talk about the face unlock performance, I'm not seeing. I see and it unlock the device. Okay, do it many times. I look and it quickly unlock the device. You can see, I'm not seeing. I see and it quickly unlock the device. So both are really fast and responsive. You can see, I put and it unlock the phone. So guys, this is the unboxing of OPPO A17k smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.